Good morning, guys. Larry the Tractor Guy here. We're fixing to experience really extreme cold temperatures out here in southwest Oklahoma. I've got a 6155R here in front of me, and it has a block heater with a cord that plugs in here, okay? And the block heater cord is usually found up in the cab, in the glove department here. It's got a surge protector here. Now this is on a 6155R. There's a lot of different block heaters out there. This will plug in here, okay, and then plug into your 110 outlet and keep your coolant temperature warm in your engine block, okay, which will really help these tractors to start and run well in the wintertime. Now, if we're getting into some -0 degree temperatures, it's also a good idea to look into maybe getting a transmission oil or hydraulic oil heater as well, and you can get those installed on your Deere tractor. You can actually order those through Deere as well, through our dealership here, and those work really well if you're using those tractors in those extreme temperatures, winter months. Okay, so just a quick reminder that it's going to get cold. If you're using those tractors, keep those tractors plugged in, and it's a good idea also to go ahead and change your fuel filters prior to these colder temperatures. If they haven't been changed in a while, that'll help as well. And so just some quick tips from Larry the Tractor Guy. Hope you guys have a good one. Signing out.